Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today I'm going to be straining out our banana fertilizer that you're going to use, or that we're going to use for flowering stage in the summer, spring, or whatever. So it will give the plants potassium. And so go and watch our video on how to do this, on how to make it. But today we're going to be straining it and getting it ready to put on the plants. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to ask you guys if you could be so kind as to hit that like button if you get anything out of this, and please subscribe, because only like 50%, they say, or less actually subscribe, even though they watch. And it doesn't cost anything if you just hit that subscribe button. And then there's also a notification button, and I like to notify you every couple of weeks, 2 weeks in advance of what's going to come out, so you can kind of see, oh, I might want to watch that, and then you can click another button to remind you that when that comes on. So it's like a heads up, I got a video on banana fertilizer, you know, and then, oh, I want to watch that, and then you click and say, I want to watch that, and then it'll remind you, or it'll notify you that it's on. So anyway, and then we have a video every Wednesday and a short every Sunday. And then if there's anything that you guys have questions, or you want to have any comments or any suggestions, we love suggestions, because as you know, we do experiments here all the time. And just leave me a comment, okay? And I want to thank you for whoever has been watching for all these years. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. We always also have the members only, if you guys want to subscribe to that. So here we go. So these have been sitting for a really long time, months and months. And I think this one's been sitting for like 3 weeks. But the blue ones, and Buster's going to get all his nose all up in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to smell it. It smells like fermented.
Oh yeah, fermented bananas.
So what I'm
hold it. I'll help you.
Doing. Here, I'll video it. What I'm doing is I am pouring. I've got this basket, as y'all can see. This is a regular tote thing, and this is a laundry basket. But I'm using that as a strainer.
That's so brilliant.
Hold on a second. Okay. All right, let's here, you record while I just want to squish it around and see. Here, let me give this to you.
Swish it back and forth. No, like to side, like you're driving a truck.
There we go.
Swish it side to side like you're driving a truck.
Heavy. I'm just doing this.
Here, let me swish it.
And then let me show you what I'm going to do, you guys, okay? Just so that they can see what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to put it back in this bucket.
Without
and then,
any...
guess where this is going to go?
Black soldier flies?
Black soldier flies, because they love the smell of this.
Watch it, Mama.
If you don't have black soldier flies and you don't want to do that, then you can put it in the compost.
Best.
So this will either go in the compost or black soldier fly, okay? I just thought of this idea off the spur of the moment to use this laundry basket, and
it's perfect. It worked perfect.
So okay, now I'm gonna do this other bucket, and then we'll add the.
Here, you hold the phone again.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me go dry my hands at the coop. Here goes the second bucket. Smell that one and tell me what it smells like.
Yeah.
Wait, let me smell it.
It smells.
Oh, that one doesn't smell right.
Yeah, this one doesn't smell right.
That's okay. It won't hurt.
It's not gonna hurt him. I mean.
Hey! That's why he wants to lick it, because it smells like poo-poo.
He wants to get drunk.
No, that one don't smell like. That smells like poo-poo. This one's a little rotten. It's okay.
Ew.
That's what fertilizer is rotten anything.
Juice.
That's sludge. That right there is sludge. I'm going to put that in a separate bucket. Okay, let me pause it. Yeah, that stinks. Ooh, okay. Woo! Oh, the difference in the smell is amazing. You guys, this looks like like I don't even know what to tell you it looks like, but it's
and it stinks to high heaven.
It smells really bad. I mean, really bad. It smells like I don't even know what to.
No, hey,
like
Buster.
An animal, kinda.
Yeah, he wants to smell and lick.
No, Buster, no. No.
No, Buster. No, get away.
Oh, yeah. That smells like the other fermented plant juice. I'm gonna put
Ooh,
it in.
yeah, it smells like the other
Yeah,
stuff.
instead of a good smell.
Yeah,
Hold on, let me dry my hands off.
I don't think the other bucket is gonna fit in there.
No, it's not. So here's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna have to. That's more than 3 gallons.
Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this
Here.
in here. I might need to go get a bigger bucket. Okay, we got a used coffee container. Watch out, don't get on your clothes. You'll smell all those.
Ooh.
Don't get on my shoes.
Look at Buster's.
But I want to dump it because I want to do a little at a time. I don't want the artificial turf to stink, and then he'll be out here licking it for 10 days.
Yeah.
And then he's going to get a rug burn on his tongue from non-stop licking. So we'll store it in here.
Ooh.
Oh, I got it on me.
That was a double gulp.
Ooh. The other one doesn't stink that bad.
Oof.
It's the second bucket that smells real bad. We should have just put it in the other fermented fertilizer instead.
Yeah,
Ew.
because the first one smelled really nice.
Yeah, really.
And
nice.
it's like, what are we gonna put in the? Now we mixed it.
Yeah, but the other one should smell good, so we'll have one bucket that smells good.
Buster, what do you think? Hey, what do you think, Buster? Is it true? Ooh, man, look at that whole bucket of fertilizer, banana potassium fertilizer
put lid
for
on
the plant.
this.
Ooh, doggy.
And then y'all pause it for a minute because the rest of this I'm gonna go pour it in our fermented plant juice, and we'll show you. Make sure y'all wear gloves. I'm telling you this stuff. So this is our fermented plant juice. Y'all can watch that video too. This has got all kinds of everything in it. What do you call it? Leaves and just oh look, black soldier flies.
All over the rim.
Oh, they're alive too. Let me
Get them, girls.
They're all alive.
Yeah,
Okay,
get them, girls.
I'm gonna throw them all in. They somehow got laid eggs in here on the edges.
Yeah, and then they couldn't get out. Oh well. You almost want to throw all that out?
Yeah, so that they can like live.
Yeah, just grab all that and throw it out. Go.
All right, I'm just gonna put the sludge in here with the other stinky stuff. Ugh, yuck. And then, you almost got that on your pants. Look, you guys, this on the edge. He almost.
I didn't get
got
any,
it.
did I? I didn't get any, did I? Please.
I don't think so.
Hold on.
Look. That's I filled it to the brim. Show them. That is filled to the brim. Woo! The flies want to get in there. Put the lid on. This is some good fertilizer. Okay. All right. That's enough to last. That's enough to feed the whole neighborhood. Videoing?
Yep.
All right.
Dang. Smell
See,
this
that
one.
one smells better even.
Okay, so here, hold this.
Ooh.
We're gonna do.
Wait, my
Oh
hands.
snap!
Hold on.
Here, I could do it with one hand.
Here, I got it. I
could do it with one hand.
Okay, here we go.
That's how real men do it, with one hand.
Okay, be careful. Watch it. This one smells pretty good. You see all that white stuff on there?
Oh, especially fair.
Yeah, these are only a few weeks. It's okay. A few weeks is all right too.
See, look, this is what you do.
Okay, here, hold this now.
Hold on. Let me bus driver it.
You're gonna get it all over your clothes doing that. Bus driver.
The bus driver.
Bus driver. Here. Okay. Okay. So now we take the peels out. Leave it, Buster. Leave it. And now we can put it in the compost. No, Buster, no.
Get away from there,
I
Buster.
tried to give you some banana yesterday
Please.
and you don't want to eat it, but this one, the fermented stuff you do.
Yeah.
Are you a
he's
wino,
funny.
Buster?
He likes the smell
Are
of
you a
that.
wino?
Why you like that
idea.
smell?
I like this idea of the launder basket.
No,
But this is you guys. This is not my launder basket. This is a basket that I use to sift like dirt and stuff. And I also use it on top of my plants so the sun can still get through.
Yes.
And it keeps the animals out. So, okay. Now,
we gotta cover it.
I need another bucket.
And this one goes in here.
Yeah.
Here, I can pour it in there.
No, I'm just gonna do this.
Why are you gonna do that when I can pour it?
Because I want to show people that keep from hurting their back what they can do. Here. Keep from hurting your backs. You can do stuff, you know, instead of picking it up and hurting your back, just little at a time. Just like I do gardening. 1 hour a day is all I can handle with my knees and my back. So you can still garden if you just do even a little bit.
So hold on, leave that down there because I'm gonna turn on the water and then we're gonna fill this bucket up.
No, we don't need to do that.
And then because we're diluting it by the how many?
I'm not gonna dilute it yet. What I'm gonna do?
We're gonna dilute it into those.
Let me show you what I'm doing.
Show me.
So this one right here is a gallon, and so I'm just gonna guess. It's 1 part fermented banana to a gallon, to 1 part to 2. So I'm just gonna guess. So that would be what? I'm not good at that.
Yeah, so it would be probably up to the 32. You see how it's got the line down there at the bottom? Down here?
Yep.
The 32 line. And then the rest water.
32? Where?
It says 32.
Oh!
Right there.
I didn't even know this had a measuring tape thing on it.
I did not know either. We just found
I use these milk jugs all the time when I'm. So put it at the 32.
Yep,
And then the rest would be 3 parts. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's got too much already. It's got too much already.
All right, so then
Dump some out a little.
it's okay. It won't hurt it.
Okay.
And then just add my water. This water, I had the lids off of it for 24 hours to make the chlorine come out. And there we go. So I got one made up, just like that.
Shake it.
All right. And then we'll put it on the plants. So I'm gonna do another one. We'll have to put some of this stuff into the black soldier fly and into the, what do you call it? Into the, there's water in this one already.
Here's one.
So,
and this one,
there's
this
an
one.
empty one, okay. So what I need to do is, what I'll do is I'm gonna stop it right here and then we'll show you what I put it on the plants. So now we have it in jugs and it's already measured out, 1 part per 2, sort of. And we're going to now put it on flowering plants. So these are tomatoes. Anything that starts to flower and make a fruit, then you can do that or make a flower. So I'm just gonna add it on here and hope that Buster doesn't lick it off.
Isn't that too much? Or?
And then we're gonna do here, over here. This is the other tomato. And so basically, you can put this on tomatoes and the other tomato, if you know what I'm talking about, in my members only. Y'all go watch that. So the other tomato.
Special tomatoes.
Special tomatoes. So anything that's flowering, you know, fruits, vegetables that are flowering.
Potassium.
Look, like this.
Oh yeah. Give it the rest.
Well, okay.
And we're gonna put that to the test.
So,
tomorrow, that bell pepper will be twice the size.
No, it's going to help produce more flowers. So, so anyway, so let me just put the rest here. This stuff smells really bad. So
woo dog.
I am going to say goodbye because I need to go wash my hands. I know I have on gloves, but I feel like it's still oozed inside of there. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Leave me a comment if you have questions, and God bless everyone.